English News for Learners, Friday, March 21st. Today we have 5 stories from across Japan. Let's practice listening to the latest news together. 東京の桜開花. The cherry blossom season has officially started in Tokyo. Officials made the announcement on Thursday. They found 61 open flowers at Yasukuni Shrine. This happened on a special sample tree. Spring is finally here in the capital city. The bloom is 5 days earlier than last year. It is also 5 days earlier than the average. The weather has been very warm recently. This caused the flowers to open early. People are very happy about this news. Crowds of people visited parks today. They went to celebrate the start of spring. The trees will be beautiful very soon. They will reach full bloom by March 25th. That is only a few days away. To declare the official start, 5 flowers must open. The officials check the tree every day. Now, Tokyo will be pink and white soon. Many people are planning outdoor parties now. Next topic. Kirishimaが優勝に王手. Sekiwake Kirishima is doing very well in sumo. He won a very important match today. It was day 14 of the spring tournament. He defeated Ozeki Aonishiki in Osaka. Now he is at the top of the leaderboard. Kirishima is very close to a big victory. He wants to win his 3rd career championship. The final matches take place tomorrow, Sunday. Many fans are watching him closely. He has shown great strength this month. If he wins tomorrow, something big might happen. He could be promoted to Ozeki again. Ozeki is the 2nd highest rank in sumo. He lost this rank after an injury, but now he is healthy and strong again. Sumo fans in Osaka are very excited. The stadium was full of cheering people. We will see who wins the title tomorrow. It will be a very exciting day. Moving on to our 3rd story. 日本企業が大幅賃上げ. Major Japanese companies are giving big pay raises. Famous firms like Hitachi and NEC agreed to this. They will increase the pay for their workers. The unions asked for more money this year. The companies fully accepted these high demands. Some workers will get 18,000 yen more monthly. This is a record-breaking increase for Japan. It is the highest raise in many years. The cost of living is rising in Japan. Companies want to help their employees with this. The government is also happy about this news. They want people to spend more money. Higher wages can help the Japanese economy grow. Most new pay rates start in April. April is the start of the new fiscal year. This annual negotiation is called shunto in Japan. It happens every spring between unions and bosses. This year's results are very positive for workers. Many people hope this trend continues next year. Next up. 福島原発にドローン投入. Tiny drones have entered a damaged nuclear reactor. They went inside the plant in Fukushima. Each drone weighs only 95 grams. They are very small and can fly easily. The drones captured very clear video images. The video shows melted fuel at the bottom. This is deep inside the pressure vessel. Experts have not seen this area since 2011. The radiation levels there are very high. Humans cannot go inside because it is dangerous. The drones also made a 3D map. This data is very important for the future. It will help engineers plan the cleaning work. They need to remove the dangerous fuel debris. This is a very difficult and long task. The full cleaning will take many decades, but these new images are a big step. Technology is helping to solve old problems. The experts will study the video very carefully. And finally, ベトナムへ環境支援融資. Japan will provide a large loan to Vietnam. The total amount is 90 billion yen. A big part of this is for green projects. About 50 billion yen will support the environment. This is a very important international agreement. Vietnam will use the money for many things. They want to build new roads and bridges. They also want to use more clean energy. This will help reduce pollution in the region. Japan wants to support these positive changes. This is the first major loan in 2 years. The Japanese ambassador signed the deal in Hanoi. It was a very formal and friendly event. The partnership between both countries is growing stronger. Japan works closely with many Southeast Asian nations. The projects will start later this year. Many people will benefit from the new infrastructure. Clean energy is a goal for many countries now. Japan is sharing its wealth and technology. Today we learned about cherry blossoms and sumo. We also heard about pay raises and drones. Finally, we talked about the loan to Vietnam. Thank you for listening to episode 94. Keep practicing your English every day. Please subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.